Comparison is a thief of joy. We are often so consumed by the contents, shown here to us in social media, and we detach ourselves to what we truly have here sa bahay natin, or we get to compare kung meron ba ako nito, meron ba ako niyan, bakit sila meron nito, bakit ako wala pa rin. Sometimes, yes, wala namang masama that you aim for something, but don't forget to make the most out of what you have right now. Kasi lahat naman ng mga yumaman, I guess, hindi naman yan lahat nagsimula talaga. Like, meron nag-jumpstart sa kanila na parents nila who can lend them money to start their own. Mga nakikita ko ngayon sa social media, they started from scratch. So, alam mo yon, they made the most out of what they have, what they currently have. May kita mo nga yung ibang content creator, hindi naman ganun kaganda yung background nila, but there's so many views and they make money out of their social media. So, you get to think of this, na masyado tayong driven to by the fact na kasi we just wanna get ahead of someone, or kaya naman because nagiging standard of comparison na natin is yung kung ano yung meron siya na wala tayo. So my point here right now, mga kapitbahay, is if you're feeling that kind of feeling, huwag ka mag-alala because there will be a time or a point in your life na you'll also surpass your problems, and also maaabot mo din kung ano yung gusto mong maabot in life. So ayan, kaya natin to, and always strive to be better for yourself and for your family. Compare mo lang yung sarili mo from what you have been yesterday. So, yun lang.